Hello everybody, it is Mr. Modern Financials here, coming at you with another video. Make sure you stay tuned until the end of this video because that way you're going to get all the information on all 4 of these apps that are going to allow you to make money online from the comfort of your own home. Now, none of these are going to be a replacement for a full-time income. However, they can be a decent sort of side income or a side hustle, if you will. Now, we're going to start off with Inbox Dollars, which is something that I have talked about in the past. You can see right here, I have $32 in my Inbox Dollars account. Inbox Dollars is a great way to earn some extra money on the side, doing surveys, watching videos, even just answering little survey questions like this that only take a minute or two. You can earn money. And the best part is I actually have a referral code with Inbox Dollars that if you use, you will start off with a free $5. I will link that in the description and in the comment section, so that way if you choose to sign up for Inbox Dollars, you will get a free $5 bonus. So Inbox Dollars, you could do surveys, you could watch videos, you could do shopping, coupons, games. They have little scratch off things that you earn, and you can earn money that way. There's a lot on this, and that's one of the reasons it's always been one of my favorite websites for making money online, just because a lot of the other ones you'll get bored with, and you will kind of get a little bit like, what am I doing here? This one is nice because you could do everything. And even though I'm not sure if they have an official app, you could use this website on mobile, so that's why I'm including it in the video. But the other 3 things I'm going to list on this video will be actual apps that are available in the App Store and the Google Play Store. So Inbox Dollars, it's not bad, guys. You could earn some extra money. I do it, on and off, but when I was doing it seriously, when I was doing it every day for about an hour a day, I made some decent side money. Nothing, crazy, but something that I could say, hey, I actually made some real money here doing this. It was worth my time. So Inbox Dollars, link in the description. Check it out. There's a lot on here. Games, videos, shopping, surveys, offers. There's a lot you could do here, so make sure you check it out. Now, next up is Circus. Now, Circus is interesting. There's 2 different ones. There's Circus Local and the normal Circus. I have not used Circus Local. That is basically a cash back app if you shop at local businesses. But I will be talking about the normal app, which is just Circus. So get paid for trying cool products. Now, what you do here is you basically create a profile, okay? You're going to create a profile with all your likes, your hobbies, what you enjoy doing, things like that. And what they do is they connect you with companies that are trying to test out their products, okay? And you will get paid for testing out those products, as well as usually some free products, which is quite nice. Now, the way this works is you have to fill out your profile. If you don't fill out your profile, you're not going to get connected with anything. And basically, you'll fill it out. Let's say you fill it out and you put you like video games, right? Maybe a game studio will send you a game to play and pay you for it, right? Or if you put that you have allergies, a company that makes like an air purifier will send you that and pay you to test it. That is how this works. It's a way for companies to test their products without having to start off and go and market them first, because usually companies are going to want to test their products before they go mass market, right? It just makes sense. You want to make sure you have a good product before you go mass market, because if you put all that money into advertising and everything, and the product's not good, you're going to lose money. So it makes sense from a company's perspective to test out their products on different people before going and putting them in stores or running ads or anything like that. Now you're going to get a lot of things that are like digital. You're going to get a lot of like soaps and colognes and things like that, as well as some tech stuff. And again, you can earn some money doing this, as well as usually they will let you keep the free product, which is quite nice as well. Yeah, definitely check it out, Circus. It's on iOS and on Android. There's also the Circus Local app, which I haven't really used myself, but apparently the way this works is you can earn between 5 and 15% cash back if you shop at local businesses that are a part of the app. Okay, there's food, retail, wellness. I haven't tested that out yet, so I can't give that one a honest review, but that one does look interesting. But if you want me to review that app in the future, comment down below. You want me to review Circus Local in the future. But for this video, we are going to be recommending Circus, the normal app on iOS and on Android. 2 apps, 2 ways to discover your new favorite businesses and products. Want to discover hidden gems in your neighborhood or try new products from the comfort of your own home? We have an app for that. So very nice, very interesting, and it's a very cool idea. Next up, guys, is Mobiy. Now, this is just a very simple app, a simple cash back app where you will basically download the app and you'll get paid to go to stores and do missions. They have secret shoppers and things like that. That's really cool. Sometimes they have cash back if you shop local, but main thing here is what you do is you download the app, you make an account, find a mission near you. Mobiy shows available secret shopper missions in your area. Head to the location to begin shopping. I can do mystery shopping missions when and where I have the time to do so. So you will get paid for doing mystery shopping missions. Now, the reason that companies do this is basically to test their employees. They'll have people go into a retail store and go and get some little things and basically rate their experience. Were their employees good? Were they bad? Were they friendly? Were they mean? Things like that. And the reason companies do this is so they could get a good fit on what they need to work on. Where should they be putting money into as far as getting better customer service or getting more employees? Was the line too long? Do they need more employees? Things like that. So complete the mission. Each mission says what is expected of you, from answering survey questions to taking pictures inside the store. That's another thing I forgot to mention. Sometimes you'll have to take pictures inside the store to see, things around like messiness. Is the store in a good order? Is things on the shelf where they're supposed to be? I used to work retail when I was younger, and that is always a big thing that companies are looking for. No one wants their store to look like a mess, so that's why they have apps like this, or they have secret shoppers rather, to go out and kind of rate their experience. Was it good? Was it bad? Was it in between? That's what you'll be doing with Mobiy. If that does interest you, you could download the app if you'd like. This one is a little bit more. You have to go out a little bit, but still, you're going to get paid a little bit more than if you're just doing surveys online. And, you have to factor in gas and things like that. I wouldn't be driving more than 20 minutes to go to a store because gas costs and things like that. But, yeah, you could definitely make money doing this. People have made money doing this. Definitely check it out if that does interest you. Next up is Shopkick. Now, this is very similar to Mobiy, only you're not really doing any surveys or mystery shopping. This is basically a normal cashback app. I've reviewed a lot of cashback apps in the past. My favorite is Dash app, link in the description, but I've already done videos on that, so I wanted to have something new. But the reason why this one is kind of cool is because you actually don't have to buy something, right? They have offers on here where you could just walk into a store and earn money that way. And I guess that the reason they want to do that is they want customers in the store. They want people coming into the store to at least give the illusion that that store is popular or something along those lines. I can't really think of why they'd want to do that, or maybe a certain amount of people out of every 100 who go in that store are going to buy something, so maybe they're thinking about it like that. But overall, this is Shopkick. This is a way that they will basically earn free gift cards. You earn points and you redeem those for gift cards, but you could get lots of different gift cards, PayPal, whatever. It's basically the same thing as free cash. And what you could do is you could literally just go in and you could get paid just for going into the store. Now, you'll get more if you scan select items or make purchases. As you can see right here, have fun earning reward points when you walk into partner stores, scan select products or make purchases. They also have online stuff. Earn kicks when you visit our online partners from Shopkick, view select offers, or make online purchases. The reason I do like this one is because you don't have to buy the product. You'll make more money if you buy a product, but the reason I like it and why I'm including it in this video is because you can make money just by visiting a website or just by walking into a store, and that's what I like to see. I don't like to see apps and websites like similar in this genre that are going to try and force you to buy products to earn cash back. This is nice because you could earn it just by visiting the website or just walking in the store. This is Shopkick. It is an app, okay, so you could earn gift cards doing this. You can see right here there's an Amazon gift card. Not too bad. It is on iOS right here and on Android, so for both of you users out there, very nice. Yeah, that's it for this video, guys. If you enjoyed it, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, share it. That's really it. I'll catch you next time, and I hope you all have a great day.